Good morning, students. I am Dr.R.Suganya, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity. Today we are going to see about random access file. So to access only a particular part of a file and not reading in other parts of the following function can be used. ftell is a function name. So it takes a file pointer and returns a number of type long that corresponds to the current position. Syntax: variable equal to ftell of file pointer. So next is rewind. It takes a file pointer and results the same position of the starting of the file. Syntax is rewind of file pointer. Next is fseek. It is used to move the file position to a desired location within the file. Fseek file pointer offset position. The offset specifies a number of positions to be moved from the location specified by the position. The position can take one of the following three values: beginning of the file, current position, and end of the file. The offset may be positive, meaning move forward, or negative, meaning moving backwards. There are some operations for fseek option. Fseek function, which is being followed with file pointer and then the length and the beginning of the file, that is from 0. So next is, if it is 1, it stays at the current position. If it is a parameter is 2, it goes to the end of the file and past the last character of the file. And if it is fseek, if it is m and then starting with 0, it moves from m plus 1 byte in the file. Next is, if it is 1, it goes forward by m bytes. If it is minus m, it goes backward by m bytes from the current position. If it is minus m minus 2, it goes backwards by m bytes from the end. Next is how to define and open a particular file. If we want to store a data in a file in the secondary memory, we must specify the certain things about the file to the operating system. They include file name, data structure, and purpose. File name is a string of characters that makes up a valid file name for the operating system. It may contain two parts, a primary name and an optional period with extension. Example: input.data, store, programming.c, and student.c, and text.out. Data structure of a file is defined as file in the library of standard input-output function definition. Therefore, all files should be declared as type file before they are used. File is defined data type. When we open a file, we must specify what we wanted to do with the file. For example, we may write data to the file or read the already existed data. Following is a general format declaring and opening a file. File is a keyword followed by *fp. So fp means file pointer. So file pointer equal to fopen function with the parameter file name and mode. So the first statement declares a variable fp as a pointer to the data type file. File is a structure that is defined in the input-output library. The second statement opens a file name, and assignment opens an identifier to the file type pointer fp. The second statement opens a file name, and assigns an identifier to the file type pointer fp. This pointer, which contains all the information about the file, is subsequently used as a communication link between system and the program. The second statement also specifies the purpose of opening this file. The mode does this job. Mode can be one of the following: read, write, and append. R opens a file for reading only. W is only for writing. And A is opening the file for appending or adding the data to it. So both the file name and mode are specified as strings. They should be enclosed in double quotation marks. When trying to open a file, one of the following things may happen. It is when the mode is writing, a file with specified name is created. If the file does not exist, the contents are deleted. And if the file already exists, when the purpose is appending, then the file is opened with current contents safely. A file with specified name is created if the file does not exist. If the purpose is reading and if it exists, then the file is open with current content safe, otherwise an error occurs. Consider the following statements for file open. So here we are specifying two file pointers, P1 and P2. So with the following with the file keyword. So P1 equal to F open data read only mode. So and also write only mode for the other file as result. So the file data is open for reading and result and is open for writing also. So in case a result file already exists, then it contents are deleted and the file is opened as a new file. So if data file does not exist, an error will occur. So main reason compilers include additional modes of operations like read plus, write plus and append plus. So read plus one for both reading and writing, and W plus for both reading and writing. A plus is except both for reading and writing. So these are things that we have seen today: the scope, the lifetime, visibility, auto, static, extern and register. So these are the keywords that we have seen, and also we have seen about what is the scope, what does lifetime mean, and what does visibility mean. So there are some multiple choice questions that you can. Thank you.